Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually unboxing something very special, which some of you may remember I actually did Kickstarter reaction video a couple months ago. For those of you who want to check it out, feel free to actually look up this corner here. I will actually put the link to that video here. You can go and check it out. What was my reaction back then, to this particular Kickstarter campaign. To my surprise, it's here, LIBMING. Why do I say it's actually a surprise? Just to fill you in on what was happening is, ever since the campaign was successfully funded, there wasn't a lot of update from the campaign owner, very little information, and they only asked us to fill up our shipping information, and that was it, and then they went radio silent for I think a good 2 to 3 months. And a lot of the backers, including me, we were starting to feel that, hey, could this be just another scam, But to my surprise, it arrived at my doorstep I think 2 or 3 days ago. This is gonna be an unboxing. Pretty easy. At the top, it's actually the user manual. So immediately you see a couple things here. In the middle, of course, is actually the product itself, right? It's actually the product itself, and then here probably this is the charging cable, and these are the additional silicone seal. Let's take it out. Very nice. It's unwrapped. It's not wrapped up actually. It's the first time I think I unravel wireless earbud whereby the main product itself doesn't have any plastic, which is good. It means I have one less plastic to throw away. Let's put it aside first. Okay, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. What else is here? And then these are the additional silicone seal. So this is what you have, the entire item. So the lid over here, this is the lid, as you can see from the product itself over here, right? So this is the lid, a bit matte. The rest of the case, if I'm not wrong, should be metal constructed. Yeah, it looks like metal constructed. And then I see 4 dots here. All right, you see here 4 dots. This should be the LED light for battery indication, and then at the back it's a USB-C charging port. Let's swivel it open. It goes, okay, it goes both direction. All right, so it goes both direction. I can open it from here, from the left side. I can also open it from the right side. It goes one round. There's quite a spring to it. See? All right, so the moment I'm not too sure you can pick it up from the microphone here, but over here, when I swivel open the lid, I can hear a female voice saying power on. Alright, so this indicates that the earbuds are awakened the moment you open up the lid. So inside are the earbuds. Okay, so you can see these are the earbuds. It has a the design, I would say it's very similar to the AirPods Pro. The head is here, the stamp here, and then there's a shiny indent around it, and this is actually the LED light. You can see it's actually flashing red and blue. Right, see here. So this is probably to suggest that it's actually in pairing mode. Right. So the left should be the master because it's the only one flashing. The red is not flashing. Right. So the touch buttons are actually along the stem here. Looking at the earbuds here, you see there's a hole here. Right, this one should be the microphone for phone calls, and then the pogo pins are here. You see that there's a cutout here. This one should be probably the ANC feature. Let's take out the ear tip. So you can see from here the ear tip is actually oval in shape. Right, with a metal mesh covering it. And then there's another groove here. Alright. So I reckon that both are actually meant for the feedback microphone, which is used for the active noise cancellation. Holding them in my hand, it feels pretty lightweight. Very sturdy, well built. Magnet is pretty strong. Yep, pretty okay. I mean, I have to use a bit of strength to loosen it before it comes out. The lid, yeah, pretty strong. Doesn't really swivel, just fling open. I've been using a lot of strength right now. Yep, finally it opened. Okay, but yeah, because it's actually metal constructed, so it feels very sturdy, except for the lid, which I guess is actually plastic. Though it would be nice if the entire thing is made of metal, including the lid. There's no other logo except for underneath the lid. Right, you can see here there's a magnet here, I guess. And then the rest of the information actually written here, made in China, made by Earbuds Co. in China. I'll be testing this out along with the rest of the earbuds which I've actually purchased since the 11/11. All right, this one I'll do an independent one, definitely. Okay, so yep, this has actually been my unboxing of the LIBMING ANC wireless earbud, which I got from Kickstarter. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.